Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 5th for the subject of History and Civics, Chapter 7, Democracy and Us, starting on page number 44 of your textbook, titled Time Trek, Book 5, and is being submitted to you on 7th December 2020. This voice is of Millie Bhatnagar. So all students, please be attentive as I start with the explanation of the chapter. Do you know what is democracy? It is a form of government in which people have a say in who should hold power and how the power should be used. The word democracy is derived from two Greek words, demos, meaning citizens or people, and the word kratos, which means power to rule. So, a democratic form of government is always accountable or answerable to the people. India, the USA and the UK are some of the democratic countries. In our country, elections to the parliament and the state assemblies are held every 5 years. Each and every citizen of India who has attained the age of 18 years and above has the right to vote in the elections. The Constitution has divided the powers and functions of the government into 3 organs or branches. Legislature makes the laws, executive executes or enforces laws, and judiciary interpret laws or find solution to the disputes in accordance with the laws. Before we study about the organs, let us try to understand the federal structure in India. Look at the map of India. Students, this is the map of India, and you will conclude that India is a very large country and is divided into a number of states. So, it would be difficult for a single government to govern the entire country. So, a federal structure was adopted in India. It refers to a form of government in which power is shared between a central government and the individual states. So, there is a union government at the center and a state government in each state. It may be mentioned here that presently in India, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. Let us take a short break. You are requested to kindly pause your recording for 3 to 4 minutes and write answers for the following questions in your notebooks after listening carefully to them. Question number 1. What is democracy? Question number 2. Name the 3 organs of the government. Question number 3. Name any 2 democratic countries apart from India. We will now discuss the answers. Answer number 1. Democracy is a form of government in which the people have a say in who should hold power and how the power should be used. Number 2. Legislature, executive, and judiciary. Number 3. UK and USA. Let us resume our lecture now. The Constitution of India has provided for 3 lists of subjects on which laws are to be made. This method is adopted so that the center and the states know on which subjects they have to make the laws. Union list. It includes matters of national importance such as banking, defense, posts and telegraphs, foreign affairs, currency, etc. So, the central government is aware that they have to make the laws on subjects mentioned in the Union list. State list. This list includes matters of importance to the states such as public order and police, public health, agriculture, water supplies, and irrigation. It is the state government which makes laws on these subjects. They therefore apply in that state only where any law has been made. It can vary, keeping in mind the requirements of the state. Students, as you can see from the image, the third list is the concurrent list, over which both the central and the state government can jointly make laws. This list therefore includes matters that are important to both the union and the states, such as economic and social planning, education, welfare of labor, electricity, newspapers, etc. So both the union and the state governments have the power to make laws on these subjects. In case there is dispute between the center and the state, it is the law of the center which will reign supreme. Though not given in your book, it may be mentioned here that there are some subjects which are not present in any of the list mentioned in the Constitution. These are known as residuary subjects. Union government has the power to make laws on residuary subjects. Such subjects include computer software, e-commerce, etc. Students, please read page number 44 and 45 of your textbook. Home assignment. Write glossary given on page number 47 in your notebook. With this, we end this interactive session. Thank you.